there lies a magic spark that lights the fire of our imagination. And since the dawn of man, the strength of just I can has brought together people of all nations. There's nothing ordinary in the living of each day. There's a special part every one of us will play. Feel the flame forever burn, teaching lessons we must learn to bring us closer to the power of the dream. As the world gives us its best to stand apart from all the rest, it is the power of the dream that brings us here. Your mind will take you far, the rest is just your heart. You'll find your fate is all your own creation. And every boy and girl, as they come into this world, they bring the gift of hope and inspiration. Feel the flame forever burn, teaching lessons we must learn to bring us closer to the power of the dream. The world unites in hope and peace. We pray that it will always be. It is the power of the dream that brings us here. There's so much strength in all of us, every woman, child, and man. It's the moment that you think you can't, you'll discover that you can. Feel the flame, teaching lessons we must learn, the power of the dream. The world unites in hope and peace. It will always be the power of the dream that brings us here. Feel the flame, teach us we've got to love the power of the dream. We pray that it will always be the power of the dream that brings us. To realize the power of the dream. To realize the power of the dream. When I was young, I never needed anyone. Making love was just fun. Those days are gone. Living alone, I think of all the friends I've known. But when I dial the telephone, nobody's home. be sure. Sometimes I feel so insecure, and love so distant and obscure remains the cure. Young, I never needed anyone, and making love was just